Bought on iTunes Resurrection. Then remembered reading the auto for Anastasia, stating how she got a mastectomy. And I got caught up in looking up that. Then I bought Satisfied by Taylor Dane, and I got caught up in looking up about that. My Two Honeys, Children of the Yin Yang. So it's not like I did it because it was needless. You only got data because it was a free service. Unlimited talk, text, and so why YouTube? It doesn't come up very often. So there was your quest.